Alright everybody, it's your girl Minister Jazz. Today is April 19th and I am on my way to day 2 of Inside Edge 2013. And I wanted to share a lesson that I learned this morning. So there are little lessons in everything that you do. So I needed to get on the bus and I only had a $20 bill. So the guys were just like, well, we don't do change here. So go ask the cab driver. So there was about a line of cab drivers, about 9 back. And I went to the first guy and he rolled up his window on me like, no. Then I went to the next person, no. Next person, no. I kept going. I got all the way to the end of the line and the last person was just like, oh, I needed to consolidate all of these dollar bills that I have. So here, and was more than happy to give it to me. So the lesson of the day is do not stop with 1 no, 2 no's, 3 no's. Don't ever stop. Don't ever motherfucking stop. Just keep going. Always keep going. Keep the faith. Know that eventually someone is going to recognize what it is that you have and it'll be a gift to them. Peace, love, and beauty always. It's your girl, Minister Jazz. Peace. So I said never again. I will always remember that lesson.